Jai Sriman Narayana. 35th sloka of 3rd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Shreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha Paradharmat Svanushthitat Swadharme Nidhanam Shreyaha Paradharmo Bhayavaha. Om. Do your work, do not interfere into others' work. As an essence of entire Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to Him alone. Sri Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall do my work, I shall not interfere into others' work. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall listen to you and act according to your word. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the Ritviks prayed to Sri Ramachandra Swami. After that, after some time, one of those days, Sri Ramachandra Swami wanted to inquire and learn all the people what are they thinking about him. So for which Gudhaha Ratriyam Alakshitaha Charan, he has taken a different form, and secretly in the night time he started wandering in the kingdom to know what the people are thinking about him. While doing that, he heard Vachaha Asrunotu Ramaha Bharyam Buddhisya Kasyachit. He heard someone talking about his wife Sita Devi. Someone scolding Sita Devi. That person was telling his wife like this, You have gone to someone's house. Now I cannot accept you. I am not like Rama to accept the wife who stayed in someone's house for a long time. Like that, when someone was talking, Ramachandra Swami heard. Then after that, Ramachandra Swami sent Sita Devi to Valmiki Maharshi Ashramam. At that time, Sita Devi was carrying. After Sita Devi reached Valmiki Maharshi Ashramam, Yayausa Sushuve Sutau Kusolava Itikhyatau. She gave birth to twins. They are Kusa and Lava. Valmiki Maharshi did all kind of naming and other ceremonies to those boys. Now here Lakshmana got blessed with 2 sons, Angada and Chitraketu. Then Bharata got 2 sons, Taksha, Pushkala. Shatrughna got 2 sons, Subahu and Shrutasena. Like that, they all got children. So like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 35th sloka. Shreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha Paradharmat Svanushthitat Swadharme Nidhanam Shreyaha Paradharmo Bhayapahaha. Shreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha Paradharmat Svanushthitat Swadharme Nidhanam Shreyaha Paradharmo Bhayapahaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.